If your dishwasher is clogged up, you see symptoms like this from the sink. And when you open it up, you see a whole lagoon inside. Yeah, I know it's frustrating because I'm going through the same pain right now. And the worst thing about damages, they're always occur when you least expect them. So, put on your gloves and let's see what we can do about this problem this time around. So as you would expect, you want to start by draining out the water. And you want to take out the filter so as to get more leverage. Find a syringe to drain out the last drop of water inside. So inspect the drainage hole to see if anything is clogged up. Then inspect the few pieces you took out. Can't find anything wrong with my machine so far. So what could the problem be? Calm down now. But wait, I got an idea. There's this clip holding the trays in place. You're gonna want to take that out. Set the lower tray aside and give the sprayer underneath the upper tray some thorough inspection to see if it's not clogged up with food debris. In my case it wasn't, so I'm just gonna reinstall it for the moment. Inspect the lower sprayer as well and go over those drainage holes to see if no food debris is left inside. And once again, everything seemed cool. So I'm just gonna reinstall the sprayer once again and give it a spin, and it should spin freely like this. Can anyone of you relate to stuff like this while doing handy jobs around the house? Alright, put the trays back inside and we're done with the internals for now. Alright, moving on to the back side of the dishwasher. Okay, hold on, pump on your brakes. Okay, see, I'm just as clueless as you, okay? So, we're gonna wanna clear out the clutter to create some space for us to work with. And like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing, okay? So I'm just going with the flow, so hey, bear with me. Alright, let me start with these holes right here. Alright, I think that's the wrong one, because it's just spilling water all over the place. Doing home chores where you don't have any clue what you're doing can be a tiring one. So if you guys know exactly what I'm doing wrong, you can see it, but I can't see it. You know what to do in the comment section. Please share your idea in the comment section. Alright, moving on. Maybe it's this hose, maybe it's this one right here, or maybe it's this tiny little one here. Definitely not this one here. Alright, this is the return hose for the dishwasher, and that one right there is for the sink. So take it apart and inspect thoroughly. And as you can see, the water coming out is clear as day. Take out the tiny little return hose from the sink and funk of 40,000 years. Good God. So inspect the hose as usual, and the coast seemed clear once again. So I'm just going to reinstall it for now. And now you just want to seize the opportunity to clean things you otherwise won't have access to, like seals and all those nooks and crannies. And put things back together. Inspect the huge drainage holes coming from the sink. My God, the funk this time around is double the other one. Just run the tap a little bit to clear out the remaining food remnant that might still be inside the hose. Reinstall the hose, no pun intended, and put things back together where they were. So now all you want to do is just put things back where they were. Load the trays with a little bit of kitchenwares and run the cycle. I hope you keep your fingers crossed for me. And while I wait, now it's time to enjoy some early morning coffee and catch up on politics or do whatever. Okay, the moment of truth, Now let's see if the whole effort was worth it. What? No. God. And of course, if you have any clue what I'm doing wrong, just leave your comment in the comment section. All comments are welcome. Anyway, you love such content? Please do us a favor by hitting that thumbs up button for more eccentric videos on this channel. Check out my other videos as well. And yeah, I'm your boy Sake. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.